In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can share or transfer photos from an Android device to a Chromebook. And to do that, we are going to be using a feature called Quick Share, or also known as Nearby Share. And this sharing feature is available directly in both operating systems, so we don't have to install any third-party app or tool to transfer photos from Android to Chrome devices. And here's how you can do that. Of course, what you need to do is you have to set up the quick share feature in your Chromebook. Now go to the launcher and open settings. And after that, on the connected devices, you want to set up quick share. This is the feature that we are going to use, and click setup. Now you can set the device name, and also you want to set the device visibility. For me, I think I'm going to set it to be hidden because I just want to share photos temporarily and I don't want other people to see my devices when they are turning on Bluetooth or turning on the nearby share feature. And after that, click confirm. Now the nearby share is enabled. Now we can actually just move on and we can set the feature on the Android device. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention that you might want to enable visible to everyone, and this will make your device nearby share to be visible for about 5 minutes. So you just need to enable it first. And it is asking me to enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so don't forget to enable both networks. And click close. I'm going to try it again. Okay, now the device is visible. Now I'm going to actually start sharing the photo from my Android phone to this Chromebook. And I really wish I could show the Android phone, but it's kind of impossible due to technicality. But fortunately, I actually have made a tutorial video on how you can do it. So this is the photo gallery. Basically, just open any photo and click the share button. And after that, you want to click the nearby or quick share option. So depending on the version of your Android, you might have a different icon or different name. Sometimes it is called quick share, sometimes it is called nearby share, but they are basically the same thing. Now I'm going to click on that, and you will see this option. Of course, you have to turn on Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi as well. So right now, it's going to start finding devices, and just wait until your Chromebook device is discovered. And after that, you can click on the Chromebook name. And after that, on the Chromebook device, you should be able to see some sort of confirmation. So this is the confirmation. Just click accept. And there you go. Now the photo has been shared. And if you want to know where the photo is stored, you can actually go to the files menu, and it should be stored within the downloads folder right here. So this was the photo that I shared, and it just received today. So yeah, it's really as simple as that. Just use the quick share feature from the Android and also from the Chrome OS, and yeah, it's really simple. So if you find this video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.